I'm gonna walk you through how to change your page numbering to Roman numerals. To do this, you first need to open your Word document and then you go to Insert, then Page Number. Here we scroll down to Page, Format Page Numbers. So here is where you change the numbering to the format you want, but I'm selecting the Roman numerals. At the start at, you select that, and you can decide the numbering you want your page to start from, whether IV, or whichever. But I'm deciding to start the numbering from I. So I bring it to I, then OK. As you can see, the pages has been changed to Roman numerals, the numbering. Thank you for watching.